Oh, hi.
We're doing science experiment. Can I see the logo of it? This is the logo.
Oh, looks like it's Australian.
Yeah, because explosion science.
I suppose we need to put it.
Yeah. Oh.
No, we need to be vertical. The horizontal.
Right.
Because if we want it to be like visible on our TV is horizontal. Hey,
Guys,
it's me, Ban.
we have science ready.
And today we are doing science. Yes, today. Okay, let's first find a science experiment that we can do together with fun. Let's go.
This is the science book we're going to
Let's see what we can do today.
Yeah.
Okay, we don't have lemon juice, cornstarch, no. Lemon sauce or no lemon, nope. 2 rounded stones or pebbles, leaves, plastic bowls, scissors, teaspoon, water. Eat like a dinosaur. Would you like a bucket full of rocks with your tree branches or whatever it is you eat? Why would plant-eating dinosaurs swallow stones? Try this experiment to find out. Rat's helpful hint. Don't ever swallow stones or you'll end up as dead as the dinosaurs. What to do in this biology experiment? Put 6 small leaves in the plastic bowl. Use the scissors, add a teaspoon of water, hold the stones and grind the leaves between them. The water turns green. Okay, let's do this science experiment. Where are your little pebbles, your little stones? Remember, you had a whole bunch of little stones that you...
Let me get them.
We need some leaves. Let's go get some leaves. Okay, we're going to get some leaves.
Are you coming?
Yes, we're going together. Let's go get some leaves.
Let me.
We'll keep this here. So we found pebbles. Pebbles, yes. Awesome.
No, I need it. No, put it back.
We'll put them right here.
No, I need this one too.
Oh, it's right here. The pebble fell down right here. Let's lift it up.
I got
That's,
it.
yeah, that's pebble. Awesome. Let's keep going. Hello. I'm recording again. Oh, man. We got some boxes here. Oh my God, it's so wet outside.
We got
The leaves. We need to find some leaves. I see some leaves right there.
you wagon.
Maybe let's go get some. It's very dark indeed. Oh, look at these leaves. Let's find some leaves that are already falling down. They are not dry, by the way. Well, I don't see anything here. All right, so we collected some leaves. Got them. Yeah, let's keep going.
Right? Lamb. Pebbles.
You know, say hi to the video. You're gonna be a superstar, Milo. Superstar. We're gonna watch you on TV.
What? You want me on TV?
Yeah, we're gonna watch you on our
You want
TV.
to put me?
Just you and me and Mommy, and we're gonna watch Milo on TV. He's gonna be our superstar.
Thanks. You go.
Okay, leaves. Let's wash those leaves. Okay, now I need to put them in a bowl. Did you edit it all together?
Oh.
Pebbles?
Pebbles.
Oh my gosh, pebbles and leaves. Are we done yet? No, but we still need to follow the instructions. Right, let's read. Be careful, there's a salt can here.
Mommy. Hey, is it a salt?
Careful.
What? Yeah!
All right. Let's see. That's a lemon glass. Lemon juice. Science weed. This one is dinosaur. 2 rounded stones. Leaves. Check. Plastic bowl. Can we use a ceramic bowl? Well, let's try. Scissors. Do we have scissors? Let's go get some scissors. Usually pick them up right here. Scissors. Check. Teaspoon. Let's go get a teaspoon. Which one of the spoons looks more like a teaspoon? This one or this one? Can you help me out? I need a teaspoon. I'm puzzled. There's so many spoons here. Which one is a teaspoon?
I think this one.
Awesome, let's take this. I think it's gonna work. We need some water. Put 6 small leaves in a plastic bowl. Right. Check. Usually we need to cut up the leaves. Could you please cut up the leaves? Cut them into small little pieces.
You good? I cannot.
You make the video then. All right.
Let's do it on camera. Look.
All right. Let's cut those leaves.
Perfect. But I can fix that. Oh, yes. Cut our leaves. What are we making?
I don't know.
What
We're just following the manual, which says cut the leaves.
first step is to put water.
Okay, cut the leaves. Add 1/4 teaspoon of water.
He's walking there. This is
1/4 teaspoon of water. That's actually a little bit more than 1/4. But it's okay.
Is this water?
Yeah, okay.
Just lemon.
All right, I actually left some of the water on the spoon.
I stuck.
Put the remaining inside. Okay, what's next? Hold the stones and grind the leaves between them. Want to try?
I cannot do.
Nothing happens. They say the water turns green, but which water? If there is like only 1/4 of a teaspoon. That's not enough. Let's get more water, I suppose. Maybe the stones are too smooth. How about, do we have bigger ones anywhere? So these ones are pretty rough. 1, 2.
Wait.
1 plus 1 equals 2. 2 stones. Oh my gosh.
This one.
That's a ginormous stone. How are we going to?
This is huge. I cannot do that.
Maybe we can. Oh, this looks great for our need.
This was the guy down. Let's go,
We have a beautiful heart here on this stone. I don't know where it came from. We just found it like this.
What?
Actually not.
No.
I made it. What is this blue stuff?
Oh,
Okay, so we grinded a little bit of.
let me have that stone.
Well,
Big stone.
the water, as we can see now, the water turned brown. Their book, they say the water should turn green. Well, anyways, it turned brown. This is what happened in the dinosaur's stomach. This is what happened in the dinosaur's stomach. A dinosaur swallowed stones called gastroliths to help it eat leaves. As the stones released the edible parts of the leaf, bacteria in the dinosaur's stomach rotted the food. This helped the dinosaur to digest its dinner. Fun fact, you can make your own fossil with modeling clay and a feather or a leaf. Roll the clay flat with a rolling pin. Press the feather as a leaf as hard as you can into the clay. Remove the feather, you will see the feather is preserved in the clay. All right, what's our plan? To get clay. Could you please bring us some clay? Let's go. Let's go together.
Yeah!
Get that clay.
Yeah. 1 gallon clay. 1 gallon.
Awesome. Well, that's not enough. Let's get more. Awesome. And don't forget to close the package because why?
Because it can dry out.
Yes. It definitely will. Okay, we don't have feathers, but we can make a fossil of a key. Let's do this. Let's do fossil of a key. All right, fossil of a coin. That would be nice. Where is that? Okay.
Like we are playing a game. On!
Yes, exactly like we're playing a game. Where's that fly? I don't see it anywhere. Fly? 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 Where are you? Fly? Bartlett, have you seen the fly?
I saw it! I see it!
You want to shoot the fly? Sharp? Oh, I saw it again.
I saw it flying.
You're gonna sit down, fly. Should we keep shooting it or should we keep doing the experiment?
Science.
All right. Fly, get back. Get away. I won. The number one. The number coin. That's what I want. I'm ready to make a number coin. Okay. So put it right here. And always both hands like this. Let's see what we got. Number. No, this is my coin. Why did you do that?
Let me give you one. With the number side. With the bad side.
That's not the number. That's again a face.
Can you make the 10 side just like that? So it looks just like that but with no face.
There you go.
Your man side. Is this for barn? Is this for barn?
Yeah.
The 10 side?
That's the face.
Can you make it just like this but with no face? Please, Daddy. It looks not
How exactly?
squiggly.
Was that what? What do you want me to do?
Just like on the man side, but with the 10.
So what is wrong here? What do you not
It
like?
looks weird because of the size. That ankle looks weird. Cut.
You know, we could use the scissors actually. There you go. Like this.
Can you remove the sides on the man button? I'm giving the man side a coin. Can you remove the stuff on the sides because it could be Bond's man coin? This is the man. Oh, man. Here you go.
Yay! I want the number. This.
Keep it. And I attached it to Bond.
All right. It's okay. I can live with that.
The Bond really doesn't want it so much.
I don't want it so much.
It's attached to you.
Let's tape it.
No, for real.
Just let's tape it and
Let's
we'll remove it.
pretend that it's attached
Okay.
to you.
And it's attached to his head. I can't remove it. No. Help. I need to remove it. Help. It's attached to my head. It's attached to my head. I'm just gonna try to stick it to you. Oh, it fell off. Yay.
Number one. He can't remove it.